Good day. This site development plan for a community mall in Vegan City is designed at a 1:1250 scale, focusing on a harmonious relationship between the urban fabric and the Mestizo River. As per the checklist, I've utilized line weights to define the property boundaries and alcohol markers, color pencil, and oil pastel to differentiate the textures of the hardscape and softscape. The architectural strategy centers on a mall complex comprised of four distinct footprints. These structures are strategically clustered to create a central axis that draws visitors from the main road towards the plaza and the riverfront. By breaking the massing into four separate buildings rather than one monolithic block, I've optimized passive cooling and permeability, allowing the river breeze to flow through the site. The plaza serves as the heart of development. A dedicated softscape features that provides a necessary breather between the commercial building and the transportation terminal. The layout of this site development plan features a centralized mall structure divided into four zones, integrated with an esplanade, a green plaza, and dedicated terminal and parking facilities for efficient visitor flow. By utilizing clear legends and directional markers, the plan balances functional retail spaces with scenic open areas to enhance this site urban appeal. Regarding roads and circulation, the plan follows a strict hierarchy. The site is anchored by a 30-meter wide main artery, Quirino Boulevard. From here, users transitions into a more controlled inside road network. I have prioritized pedestrian safety by segregating the high traffic terminal and the parking zone on the right from the pedestrian heavy esplanade along the water. This esplanade is designed as a hardscape feature with pervious surfaces, encouraging walking and social interaction while managing rainwater runoff. To conclude, while the site is optimized for public experience, the utilities including the STP, genset, and water storage are tucked into a service area to ensure they don't disrupt the architectural aesthetic. This site development plan doesn't just provide a place for commerce. It creates a structured, walkable, and sustainable public destination for Vegan City.